Meaning of finagle.
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 Finagle. The word finagle means to obtain something by devious or dishonest means, or to achieve something through cleverness and trickery. It can also refer to the act of manipulating a situation or person to one's advantage. The result of finagling is often successful in achieving one's goals, but can also lead to negative consequences such as loss of trust and reputation. Overall, the term carries a negative connotation and should be avoided in ethical and honest dealings.